Hello? That's dangerous. Scissors in my hand. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kendall. We do all kinds of stuff on here. We do beauty, do makeup tutorials. I want to do fitness stuff, but I haven't gotten there yet. But it's a good time. So if you are new, like I said, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more of me, and make sure you follow my social media channels, my Instagram. That's pretty much it. I leave that down below. There's other things too, I just don't really use them, so there's really no point. But yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and I would just be so excited to have you. Today we are doing another Fabfitfun unboxing video. So I got my scissors here to open the box. This is the fall box. I have had to hold out from watching other people's unboxing videos for this, okay? So I leave on a trip tomorrow, and like I should be packing right now and like cleaning the house and stuff like that. But I'm not, because I need to film this video, so I actually got ready today, and I'm gonna film this real quick, and then I'm gonna get to doing what I need to do. So let's get started. This right here is what the box looks like. That is upside down, isn't it? Yes. I hope I didn't just break something. This is what the box looks like. Super fallish. There's some like scarves on there, some leaves, umbrellas, some people on there. Got some pumpkin spice lattes on there, you know, fall vibes right there. Let's just jump in because I am so excited. I customized a few things in this box, and I'm so glad that I actually took the time to do that this time because I'm excited. I just said that. I'm glad I chose the things that I chose. Otherwise, if I would have gotten the other things and like not gotten the things that I picked, I probably wouldn't be as happy with it. Although, I couldn't not be happy because I wouldn't have known about the other things anyways. Unless I watched other people's videos and I got clear stuff, then I'd be upset, but. The first thing I see in here is a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. Now I can force my husband to let me get HelloFresh. What is this? Enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on Amazon. I love Amazon. And I love Luna bars, actually. Luna Rica, what is that? Rica means rich and delicious in Spanish, and it's the perfect way to describe our new tasty nut butter filled Luna Rica snack bars. Oh, yum. Gonna have to take advantage of that. Now, we're getting to the good stuff. So let's just open this baby up. Oh, yes. I'm so excited. Okay. First thing I see is Skin & Co. I think I've heard of this brand before. It just like the labeling looks kind of familiar. It is Blue in Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. So it's just like shower gel. Does it have a lid on it? Because I can't smell it. Oh, it's closed. It smells like trees. It's very fresh smelling though. Next, I see a Simply Whimsical homemade pretty towel. It's like a, oh, it comes with two. Perfect. I need kitchen towels right now. How weird. It comes with two of them. I guess maybe these are used for like, I don't really know. They cost $14.99, and the shower gel costs $22. It says there's lemon in there. I knew it smelled like a lemon. You can use this as shower gel or to create a bubble bath. That's kind of cool. I accidentally saw something. I got a real beauty blender. It's been so long. I just can't find it in myself to actually buy a beauty blender with my own money, so I just buy like the cheap Real Techniques ones. the Morphe sponges. Because this by itself is 20 bucks. You know, that's kind of a lot of money, but the real beauty blender is like the OG, you know? There's just something different about it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Cool. Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. A powerfully moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Reduces the appearance of dark circles and visibly improves the brightness of the under eye area. Use morning and evening, blah, 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 blah. Naturally derived ingredients, free of parabens, free of formaldehyde, free of artificial coloring, and not tested on animals. So that's what that is. $38. Let's just see, the total value of this box is between $285 and $375. Wow. And I only paid like $50, I think. Amazing. Love it. Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Pink grapefruit. I like getting new exfoliants. I think they're fun. So this is what it looks like. Yes. $67 for this. I would never buy that on my own. I'm mind blown a little bit. I must cherish. I'll read you the little thing on it. Gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant and moisturized complexion. It's formulated with glucosamine from cognac to absorb oils and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. Yay! Glam Glow, baby. See that? These are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets, Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. Yes, I love Glam Glow. $18 for these. Not each, I think it's for both of them together. But $18 for 2 little sheet masks. And I got them in here. Wonderful. Love it. Can't wait. Oh, yes. Girl, I am hungry right now too. I just got back from the grocery store and I almost picked myself up a protein bar to eat. And you know what? I didn't. And I think because I secretly knew one was coming in my Fabfitfun box. So here we go. This is salted caramel and nut. I'm gonna eat that. Yes. I'm just gonna leave it right here because I'm probably gonna eat it right after I'm done filming this video. The Cobra wireless earbuds. And let me just tell you, okay? This was one of the things that I chose to get because I have Bluetooth headphones and I've had them for like couple years now probably, and they're starting to fall apart. And I've been thinking about getting a new pair, but I'm like, I can't spend that much money on a pair of earphones right now. I just paid tuition for school. And then you know what? I went on to fabfitfun.com and I went to customization and I could either get Bluetooth headphones or what was the other option? Or an umbrella. And you know what I got? I got Bluetooth headphones because I needed them and it was perfect timing. Thank you, Fabfitfun, you know me so well. They're $40. Much better than 100 and whatever for the other ones that I had. Okay, next thing. Oh, also, I would just like to mention that I got the white ones and they have like a rose goldish, like pink little thing on them in there. Like the details on them are like a rose goldish pink color. Love. Next thing I see is a 6-piece crown brush set. This was a choice for me too. And it was between, where is this? A tote. This little tote or the brush sets. And then you could pick which color you want from them too. I'm not a tote girl. Like I don't see myself using that, you know, I really don't. I can see myself using makeup brushes, obviously. So that's what I got. This is why I'm telling you guys, like, I'm so excited or so happy that I actually went to look for customization. Because, like, I like to be surprised, but at the same time, like, I'm really happy that I got these rather than the other things, you know? Like, I don't need an umbrella or a tote bag. I need brushes and earphones. Fabfitfun's the best, I'm just telling you. And look at these. Those are perfect. There's like a couple face brushes and then 4 eye brushes. And a girl can never have too many makeup brushes, for real. And I've heard of Crown before and they're supposed to be good, so I'm pumped. This set right here, $75 just for these brushes. I'm gonna literally get Fabfitfun for the rest of my life, I think. I keep staring at that protein bar. I wanna eat it so bad, I'm hungry. Okay, this was another thing that I chose, and I'm so excited. So, I love coffee. I drink coffee every morning. I have a Ninja coffee bar coffee maker. But I've always been curious about French presses. I've always wanted to try a French press. I just think it's like so cool to have different ways to make coffee and, like, you know, I don't know. So I got a French press. That's like the coolest thing ever to me. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Where did my scissors go? Did I lose them? I'm gonna sit on them and like stab myself. So it was between this and a teapot. I don't drink tea. So like, I got a French press and I'm so excited about it. It's by Alfred. We love Alfred. And look at it, it's so cute. It says, but first, coffee. You probably can't tell because of the glare. But that's like so freaking cute. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna have to get my coffee ground at work on the French press setting, and then I'm gonna make myself some French press coffee. Oh my god, I think I died. I think I broke it. Oh. Okay, she's okay. She's okay. She fell through the other side of the plastic. I'm gonna be very careful with her. That baby was... Where is it? Yes. $22. So it was between this little teapot here, which is adorable, don't get me wrong, but I don't drink tea. So I got the little coffee pot. There you can see it better probably. Yeah, trendy LA coffee shop Alfred Coffee is making it so easy to brew the perfect cup of joe with this stainless steel coffee press. I suggest that everyone signs up for Fabfitfun. As you can tell, I am obsessed and I just love everything. Like, even if it's something that I wouldn't have normally bought myself or if it's too expensive, it's always nice to like kind of force you to use something that you wouldn't have normally got, because you never know. I don't like to spend the money on things that I don't know if I'm gonna like, so it's nice to get them in here. Obviously you do pay for the box, but it ends up being way worth the money, you know? So I'm just beyond happy with this subscription box. I think it's like the best investment ever, and you should really all just get Fabfitfun boxes. And you get 4, that's 8. You get 4 a year, so 1 for every season, and it's just the best thing ever. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please, please, please give it a thumbs up for me. Hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Hit the little notification bell if you want to see every time I post, and it'll email you. I think it emails you, and I think it lets you know on like your little notification thing on your account. that made any sense? So you know when I post new videos, and then follow me on Instagram, keep up with my life. And yeah, I'm so happy to have you all as my subscribers. And I would be so happy to have all of you new ones as my subscribers too. It would just be so cool. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.